In this video, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups by the site Ologyadblock.pro. Ologyadblock.pro is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Ologyadblock.pro basically tries to make you download and install some unwanted browser extensions that may function as adware or as browser hijackers. Typically, they function as adware. So we need to be very careful if we see these pop-ups. Do not trust these malicious pop-ups and disregard whatever they promote. If any unwanted extensions were mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, access the menu, go to Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and then if you find anything suspicious, make sure you get rid of any junk extensions. Finally, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. So go to the website combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and once it is successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.